I got this at Dollar General yesterday, and the hostel has ice cubes, so I get to make myself an iced coffee this morning. Woo!
Because then it gets light out. I'm so scared that I'm gonna get lost.
Right.
And so, like, if I do it before,
Yeah. Yeah.
If I just like wait an hour, it'll get.
I get up at like 4 or 5 in the morning, and I always have.
She's right in between my trekking poles and my backpack, like she wants to come.
It's like Instagram worthy. Yeah.
What's that I see in the distance? Is that something on the tree? Is that mile 400? Can't believe I just walked 400 miles on the AT. That seems like such a large number, and I'm so proud of myself. Woo! The people at the hostel told me to take my time and look at the waterfalls. I'm really glad I did. This is Jones Falls. It's a really quick side trail, but so happy I'm here. Look how beautiful that is. It's almost 70 degrees right now, so I really gotta get out of this outfit. The black long sleeves, the black pants. I need to change into some summer clothes.
This is not the only view I've seen today.
I'm feeling so good right now. I think I finally have my trail legs because I've been hiking for 5 hours. I've already hiked 14 miles and I'm feeling really good. So it's just after 3 o'clock right now and I'm really happy today. Hold on, I gotta get the mountains. Alright, it's about 6 o'clock right now. I just hiked 21 miles and I think the destination for tonight is going to be trying to find like a stealth site near a waterfall, which is still like 5 miles away. So gonna hike a little bit into the evening, but the sun's still gonna be out for an hour or two, so I think I can make it.
Maybe we can stay in there tonight. Oh, I
can't see me.
Sorry to everyone behind me.
Yay, me! Alright, I'm in my tent for the night. I have a tent site by the Laurel Fork Falls, which is a beautiful waterfall, except when we hiked in here it was a little late and it was already dark and we couldn't see the waterfall. So tomorrow morning I'm gonna backtrack like 2.2 miles to see the waterfall and probably have breakfast there, and it's gonna be so beautiful. Today I hiked 26.3 miles, which is huge. It's another marathon, so I've hiked 2 marathons in 3 days and I'm feeling so good. I am so thrilled with what I've been able to do out here and I'm just having a blast. So that's gonna do it for tonight. I'm in my tent, I had dinner, and I'm gonna go to bed. So thanks for watching. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.